Everyone tells you to hire and delegate to grow. They're wrong. In 2024, the most profitable businesses aren't the ones with the biggest teams. They're the ones with 0 employees. Look, the old playbook is broken. Scaling your headcount usually just means scaling your stress and killing your margins. I've spent the last year dismantling traditional workflows and replacing them with autonomous AI agents. By leveraging Make.com and OpenAI, I've seen solopreneurs handle the volume of a 5-person agency without a single payroll check. This isn't just about using AI. It's about building a scalable machine that doesn't sleep, doesn't quit, and doesn't need a manager. In this video, I'm giving you the exact blueprint to build a 0-employee business. We are automating the entire pipeline, from the first lead to the final delivery. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to connect your tech stack to reclaim your time and maximize your profit. Let's dive in. You've been told the same lie for years. Hire a VA, build a dream team, delegate to scale. It sounds great on paper, but in reality, your payroll is eating your profit margin alive. Every new hire isn't just a salary. It's a management tax. Suddenly, you aren't the CEO anymore. You're a full-time babysitter. You spend your day chasing updates, fixing mistakes, dealing with "I thought you meant this" emails. The more people you add, the slower you move. Communication breaks down. Lead response times slip. And the worst part, you're terrified to let go because if one key person leaves, the whole system collapses. You're scaling your stress, not your freedom. You've built a complex human machine that's fragile, expensive, and slow. While you're managing people, your competitors are managing prompts. They aren't hiring. They're automating. And they're keeping 90% of the revenue while you're fighting for 20%. Stop thinking about staff. Start thinking about workflows. The traditional growth model is a trap. You scale revenue, you hire a manager, they hire a team, and suddenly your profit margin vanishes into payroll. The alternative: an AI operating system. A lean, automated architecture where Make.com is the nervous system and OpenAI is the brain. Here is the blueprint for the 0-employee business. Phase 1: automated lead generation. Most people waste hours on manual prospecting. Instead, we use Make.com to monitor specific triggers, like a keyword on X or a new lead in a directory. That data doesn't go to a CRM for a human to read. It goes straight to GPT-4o. The AI analyzes the lead's pain points and writes a personalized hook that feels human. No virtual assistant. No mistakes. Just a 24/7 prospecting machine. Phase 2: intelligent qualification. Now, you don't want every lead on your calendar. You only want the whales. We route the response back through a Claude AI agent. It handles the back-end forth. It asks the qualifying questions: what is your budget? What is your timeline? If the lead doesn't fit your criteria, the AI politely declines or redirects them to a low-ticket product. If they are a perfect fit, the AI sends your Calendly link. You wake up to a calendar full of qualified appointments without sending a single manual email. Phase 3: automated fulfillment. This is where most businesses break. This is where the dream team usually steps in to manage the project. But we're automating the delivery. The moment a Stripe payment hits, Make.com triggers a fulfillment sequence. It creates the client folder. It sends the onboarding questionnaire. It generates a personalized project roadmap using the data from the qualification phase. You aren't managing people, you're managing a system. Your overhead drops to nearly 0. Your speed of delivery triples. And your profit margin, it stays exactly where it belongs, in your pocket. Now to build this, you need the right stack. I use Make.com as the nervous system and OpenAI as the brain. If you want to skip the trial and error, use the links in the description to set up your accounts. By replacing a 5-person operational team with 3 automated scenarios, my overhead dropped by 80%. No payroll taxes, no management meetings, no human error, just pure scalable profit. Your business doesn't need more headcount to grow, it needs better systems. Stop trading your sanity for a larger team. Start building your autonomous engine today. Click the link below to grab the tools I use and start scaling.